So this workshop is about liberation or living fully or feeling at home most of the time in our life. So the word liberation, it's a very important word in Tibetan tradition, in the Burn tradition. In Tibetan we say tolwa, which basically means liberation. And as many of you might know, Tibetan Book of the Dead, or liberation through hearing. So this term is very important. And what does that mean is, ultimately what it means is that being totally free from suffering, being totally free from the causes of suffering, being free from all the afflicted emotions, negative emotions, conceptual thoughts, and individual identity, individuality, that ego, being completely free from that, it's liberation. So liberation is not being liberated from somebody, from one nation or from some aliens, but being free from your own individuality, ignorance, and ego.